Hello, this is Steve Stockdale. Mary Lahman, Greg Thompson, and I welcome you to this course on general semantics and effective language behavior. In this video, I want to briefly introduce you to the layout of the course and show you how to navigate through the course content. This is the course home page. The leftmost column contains the primary tabs or buttons you will use to navigate around the course. Notice that the active page is highlighted in blue. We're on the home page now. I'll explain each of these items later in this movie. The right column or sidebar will change based on where you are in the course, so I'm not going to cover all those options in this movie. The dark title bar across the top of the screen is referred to as the global navigation bar. It's called global because when you interact with the selections on this bar, you are interacting with all of your Canvas Network courses, if you're taking more than one course. I'm going to switch now from the test student view to my instructor view so I can show you how to edit your profile and notification settings, as well as demonstrate the internal Canvas email tool. This is identified by the inbox link, and in some of the Canvas help documentation you may also see this referred to as the conversations tool. First, click on Settings to access your individual information, profile, and notifications. On the right, you can add additional email addresses to receive course notifications. You can also add Twitter, Facebook, SMS, or text messaging information if you want course notifications sent to those accounts. You will see why this is important when we look at notifications in a minute. To edit your personal information that appears on this page, click the Edit Settings button. To add or change your photo, hover over the photo or empty avatar, click on the edit icon, and then upload or select the photo you want to appear. Be sure to click the blue Update Settings button when you are finished. Next, click on Notifications. Canvas will send you notifications and reminders to different types of accounts, your email, Facebook, Twitter, text, or SMS message, depending on these settings. For now, I want to demonstrate how to set just one of these preferences. You can spend some time fine-tuning the others as you go through the course. The most important preference I want you to set is for announcements. Announcements will be important in this course, so please make sure you have your announcement set to Notify Me Right Away or as soon as possible. Notice that changes to your notification preferences are saved automatically. Let's move on. To access your Canvas email, click on the Inbox link. Because of the size and nature of this course, the instructors request that you only use this conversations tool if absolutely necessary. Instead, we prefer that you use the appropriate course discussion forum. I also want to point out the help link next to Logout, where you can access the official Canvas guides and documentation. Let's return to the course homepage. I'm going to go back to the student view to navigate through the primary course features. Modules. The course is organized by weekly modules. Here you can see the structure of the course activities within each weekly module. You can collapse or expand the module list. One of the nice features of modules is that once you've selected an item within a module, you are presented with Next and Previous buttons at the bottom of each page or activity. Here's a tip. You may find it helpful to have different pages of the course open at the same time. For example, I recommend you keep your personal journal assignment page open while you're in the course so you can note any thoughts, questions, or ideas that come up. From the Modules page, right-click on the Personal Journal link, then you can open the journal in a new browser tab or window and easily go back and forth. Note that different icons indicate different types of activity. And the little green arrows indicate pages you viewed or completed. Assignments. The Assignments tab will list your upcoming assignments, when they're due, and how many points, if any, can be earned by completing that assignment. On the right, you can click to see the assignments organized by type. Discussions. The Discussions tab lists all of the open discussions in the course. The three discussions at the top are pinned, which means they will always be displayed at the top of the page and open through the duration of the course. Announcements. This is simply a listing of the announcements that the instructors make to the class. Chat. Chat features a simple chat tool that is always on. In other words, when you go to chat, you will see who else is currently logged into the course and you can chat with them. Throughout the course, we will offer 1-hour instructor moderated chats. Watch the announcements for these weekly moderated chats. People. The last tab in the navigation menu is People, which provides a class roster. This completes our short tour of how to navigate the General Semantics course on the Canvas network. Now, please proceed to the Getting Started module and, well, get started.